The online digital product space is only continuing to grow and offers some real opportunity for us sellers to earn some true passive income. But the question is, which digital products actually sell? Well, I've done some research and identified 5 Etsy digital product categories that have listings within them making at least $100 a day on the platform. Yes, please. So if you want to take a look at what these high earning digital products are so that you can make them and sell them too, then keep on watching. Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. If we haven't met yet, I'm Kate. I'm a wife, mama, Etsy seller, and business coach, and I'm here to help you start and scale your online business so that you can make a full-time income doing what you love. Like I mentioned before, I did some digging to find some high-earning digital product categories on Etsy. So I'm going to spill the beans on what these 5 digital products are, but before we get into that, I want to show you how I verified that each of these categories does in fact have products within it making this amount per day. So my first step was to go on Etsy and to use the search bar to start typing in a word like digital or printable and seeing what predictive phrases pops up that Etsy suggests. These are popular phrases that have been searched recently on Etsy, and that's why Etsy is suggesting them to me when I start typing in one of those words. This is a great place to start to get ideas if you're starting from scratch. Now, because I have the Sales Samurai Chrome extension installed for Etsy, I can look and see the number right next to each phrase for the Etsy search volume per month. This is Sales Samurai telling me for that specific phrase how many times it was searched per month on Etsy. I'm looking for some highly searched phrases, so I'm looking for the phrases that have the largest numbers in search volume here. Now, once I identify a phrase that I feel like might be really good potential with high search volume, I'm going to click on my Everbee extension to go to the analytics. Everbee is another Chrome extension that I have installed for Etsy, and it'll show me the analytics for the top selling listings that are using that phrase as part of their SEO in tags or titles. It has a column where it'll show you for each listing that comes up the estimated monthly revenue that specific listing brings in. So I can click on this to order the listings from highest monthly revenue to least monthly revenue. Now I'm going to look at one of the highest earning ones and take that number and divide it by 30 since I'm looking for the daily amount, not the monthly amount. I'm dividing it by 30 for 30 days in the month, so the number that comes from dividing this total by 30 is the estimated daily revenue for that listing. So all of the product categories that I'm mentioning today, I have verified with this system, and they do indeed have listings that are earning this top dollar amount. All right, so without further ado, let's dive into the products. Product type number 1 is a digital planner or planner bundle. The phrase digital planner has over 26,000 search volume on Etsy per month, according to Sales Samurai. So what is a digital planner, you may ask? Well, that's a great question. A digital planner is simply a planner for someone that doesn't want to use a physical one that they can use digitally, whether on their computer or iPad or iPhone. They can use it on any of their different devices or with apps like GoodNotes or Notability. The highest selling listings on Etsy for this product category include planner bundles, so these will include lots of different types of pages and planner outlines and templates for the buyer to use. These planner pages might include a daily, weekly, or monthly calendar view, or hyperlink pages with links that they can click through to their other pages, like a fitness plan, a habit tracker, a notes page, a monthly budget, log pages. There are literally just so many different types of pages and templates you can add for someone to access inside their planner. Several of these bundles include a lot of different front cover designs so the buyer can choose and customize their front cover of their planner, as well as templates and sticker bundles and just everything that you would want to go along with a planner. Another idea for offering this type of product is to offer a themed planner. So the theme might be a business planner or a positivity planner or a fitness planner. The options are really endless here. All right, digital product category number 2 is printable wall art. More and more people are opting to buy a file online and print out the art that they want to hang up on their walls as opposed to going to a retail store and purchasing a print. Now, most of the top earning listings in this category I noticed are sets or bundles of prints that go along together. This could be an art gallery set, or it could be prints that feature inspirational sayings or quotes. I saw a lot with abstract art or even fine art photographs. Some keys to offering these are that you want to make sure to offer it in several different file types because for printing purposes, people may want them in different file extensions. So this would be anything from a JPEG to a PDF to a PNG file. You'll want to make sure to identify and offer the type of file that works works best for your type of art print, as well as offer it in different sizes and aspect ratios. Some of the most common aspect ratios I saw for these types of prints are 2x3, 5x7, 3x4, 4x5, and 11x14. You can do your own research to figure out which aspect ratios would fit your listing best. Now, just because these digital product categories do have listings within them that sell consistently and for a really good amount, it doesn't mean that every listing in these product categories will sell. You have to do your research to make sure that you're offering a product in a trending style that's currently in demand on Etsy. If you offer something that's in a style that no one wants, it's simply not going to sell. I call this identifying your trend elements. You want to identify 4 to 5 different trend elements to keep in mind when you're designing. This is something I teach in depth to my students inside of our Scale Your Sales Academy. If you're interested in learning how to pick a profitable product on Etsy and identify these specific trending elements to make sure that you're offering a product that will sell and be in demand on Etsy, I highly recommend you look into our Scale Your Sales program. It's going to be launching next month, and we do have a wait list going for it. So if you'd like to receive exclusive content around the course and updates as we get closer to launch, you can sign up for our wait list. I'll have the link in the description box below, and you'll be the first to be notified when the doors open for enrollment. Now, if you want more information about these trend elements, I do have a free trend elements cheat sheet that includes 85 prompts to get your brain going and thinking about what these elements might be for your specific type of product. We're talking things like color schemes, patterns, overall aesthetic, theme, font styles, and so much more. If you want to get instant access to that free cheat sheet with those prompts on it, you can click through on the link that's in the description to grab that. All right, moving on to digital product number 3, which is SVG files for Cricut. Now, I specify for Cricut because that was the phrase that I saw that had the highest search volume as a complete phrase, SVG files for Cricut. But actually, SVG files can be used for a lot of different things, not just Cricut machines. SVG files are most popular for cutting machines like Silhouette and Cricut, but they can also be used for things like laser cutting machines. These are highly popular on Etsy because lots of crafters love and use SVG files ready to go, ready for them to use. A lot of times SVG files are used by crafters to put on things like shirts and tote bags and even for scrapbooking cutouts. One thing that I saw several of when I was doing the research in this product category for high-priced top earning listings for SVG files were bundles where the shop was offering full access to all of their different SVG files for one flat price. This is like an entire shop bundle. So this is something I might purchase if I was a crafter and I was buying these SVG files consistently and I really liked a lot of the designs in one specific shop. I might purchase an entire shop bundle to have access to all of their files for one price that was discounted. This is a great option for you if this is your product niche because this can be higher priced and earn you a higher profit margin for people that are already going to be buying a lot anyway. Okay, digital product number 4 is templates for business owners. Being a business owner myself, I use a ton of templates. Templates just make everything easier so you're not having to start from scratch. Small business owners in particular really love templates because it makes their whole process of setting up their business and getting their branding going way more simplified and streamlined. There are a lot of different types of templates you can offer for business owners, including business plan templates, marketing materials like business card templates, flyer templates, social media card templates, thank you card templates. You can also have templates for emails or invoices. And if you're really good at graphic design, this is a bit on the more complicated end, but if you really do have a knack for graphic design, something you can offer as a template that would be higher priced and earn you a bit more of a profit margin would be a full website template or a sales page template. These would be templates that business owners who have websites on, say, Wix or WordPress or Kajabi would be looking for to help them set up their full website. Again, that's a little more in-depth and you'd really need to have some graphic design experience, but it's definitely something that can be learned. And once you do learn it, it's in high demand for small business owners and can be a lot higher priced than those smaller individual listings. And digital product number 5 goes along with this. This is branding assets for businesses. So what I'm talking about here are not templates. These are actually you creating the assets and delivering the files ready-made, ready to go, completely finished to the business owner. Sometimes business owners would rather not use a template and would rather just hire someone to create the whole thing for them. So this can be anything from creating a logo or a sub-logo design to social media designs like a Facebook cover or Instagram story highlight icons to the Etsy shop icon or banner, or you could offer a complete branding shop launch package. This is what I actually personally bought when I started my business from a branding professional, and it included everything I needed to get started with my shop. She gave me a finished logo, sub-logo, my brand board that included my color palette, my fonts, fonts, my Etsy banner, a thank you card design, a business card design, and so much more. These packages can be highly priced because you are creating a whole bundle of assets for the business owner. So these are the 5 digital product categories that can earn a lot on Etsy, and you may be thinking, well, how am I going to create any of these? I'm a complete beginner, and that's totally fine. Trust me, there are so many different online resources that you can get started with, even if you're just using templates to get familiar with graphic design in the beginning. Some of my favorite resources for getting started with graphic design are Placeit.net, Canva, and Creative Fabrica. Placeit has ready-to-go templates that are easy to just switch out the colors and the text and the wording, and it's really great for beginners if you're not wanting to start completely from scratch. Canva, of course, is everyone's favorite. It's so easy for beginners and has such an intuitive interface that you can catch on really quickly. There's a free version of Canva, but I recommend Canva Pro if you're serious about this, because Canva Pro will give you so many different options when it comes to stock photos, different elements you can use, different fonts, as well as the ability to generate a template link for your buyer to then click through on and customize from there. Creative Fabrica is also an amazing resource for getting started with graphic design. There are so many different assets on Creative Fabrica, from stock photos to templates to mockups to fonts. They literally have everything that you need. So I have all 3 of these links in the description box below if you're interested in trying out any of them. The Placeit link will give you 15% off of your total order, and the Canva and Creative Fabrica links will give you a free trial. So the trial for Canva is a free trial of Canva Pro, and the trial for Creative Fabrica is just $1 to try out their all access pass. This will give you access to literally everything available on their website. These are affiliate links, so when you make a purchase on one of these subscriptions, a portion of your proceeds do come back to help our channel at no extra cost to you. I genuinely love and use all 3 of these platforms and think they could be a great benefit to you. Don't forget to sign up for the waitlist for Scale Your Sales Academy, and also click the links in the description box below to access your free Trend Elements checklist with those 85 prompts, and also grab your free digital starter guide. See you next time, friends.